The Stop Djvu ransomware family has introduced another variant known as Rtgf ransomware. It mostly spreads via unreliable downloads, phishing emails, and questionable advertising content, like other similar strains. Rtgf ransomware's operators seek a quick payoff from victims by encrypting their critical data and then demanding a ransom payment in exchange for a file decryptor. Rtgf ransomware locks most file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. Victims will initially learn of the Rtgf ransomware infection when they discover encrypted files appended with the .rtgf suffix. They will then notice a ransom note on their desktop in the form of the _readme.txt document. The note asks the victims to pay either $980 or $490 for file decryption, depending on whether contact is made in the first 72 hours. It also provides the victim with contact information to communicate with the hackers. Should victims try to contact the criminals through helpteam@mail.ch or helpmanager@airmail.cc, they will be advised to send one file to the attackers to have it decrypted for free. Supposedly, this should work as proof that the hackers can unlock the victim's files upon receiving ransom payment. The emails can also be used to communicate with the hackers, but we never advise victims to engage with these criminals. They will certainly not help you for free, and paying the ransom never guarantees that you'll receive any decryption tools. How do I deal with a Rtgf ransomware attack? To mitigate potential damages in the event of a ransomware attack, it is advisable to keep backups of your valuable files that can be easily re-uploaded to another device. It is also strongly recommended that you employ a reputable anti-malware tool to scan for and remove Rtgf ransomware from your system. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to ENIGMASOFTware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.